When you need to go where only tracks can take you, the RG1635 Track Junior has you covered. This all-new design from Rayco raises the bar for compact stump cutters. The Track Junior is the only machine in its class that gives you both rubber tracks and a swing-out operator console. Rubber tracks provide excellent traction and ground pressure of less than 4 psi. Additional weight located in the track drive area provides an even lower center of gravity. These features allow the machine to float across soft ground or tackle uneven terrain, getting you to stumps that would otherwise be inaccessible. Rayco's exclusive swing-out control station provides excellent visibility of the cutting action while swinging forward for travel. The Track Junior is equipped with a wrist strap emergency stop switch, which shuts off the engine if the operator steps away from the operator control station. Rayco's Command Cut cutter system controls the swing speed in order to maximize cutting power and keep the machine's drivetrain running at the optimal speed, thus ensuring maximum service life of all components while delivering optimum performance. The hydraulic push blade is a labor-saving tool when confronted with debris around a stump and or leftover material from grinding. The backfill blade allows you to leave the job site clean with minimal effort. Packed with safety and performance features, Rayco's new RG1635 Track Junior Stump Cutter can help you get on track.